More often than not, we are presented with unpleasant situations in our lives, caused by people who try to manipulate and deceive us. These harmful circumstances drain our energy and bring us down, leaving a bitter taste of betrayal and sadness. Luckily, we can prevent these negative occurrences by learning how to read people's minds and discern their real intentions, using both ancient and modern knowledge as a compass. Today, we'll dive deep into the concept of mind reading and telepathy, so we can identify dangers that might be invisible to our eyes at first sight. Coined in 1882 by Frederick W. H. Myers, a founder of the Society for Psychical Research, telepathy, from ancient Greek, tele, distant, and pathos pathia, translating to feeling, perception, passion, affliction, experience, is the purported vicarious transmission of information from one person's mind to another's without using any known human sensory channels or physical interaction, and has remained more popular than the earlier expression, thought transference. The late 19th century was a period of scientific awakening. As researchers unraveled the physical world's secrets, a new frontier emerged: the human mind. The Society for Psychical Research arose from this intellectual fervor dedicated to exploring the unexplained phenomena of the mind. Among these mysteries, telepathy, the ability for minds to connect directly, sharing thoughts and images without words or physical contact, captured the SPR's imagination. It held the promise of unlocking a deeper understanding of human consciousness, a world where minds could bridge vast distances. The founding members championed telepathic research. They envisioned a future where minds could foster profound empathy and understanding, transcending traditional communication barriers. Their enthusiasm ignited a wave of investigation, drawing talented researchers to explore this extraordinary human potential. Early figures like Washington Irving Bishop played a crucial role. While his thought-reading acts relied on keen observation of physical cues, they served as a stepping stone. Bishop's demonstrations, though not pure telepathy, showcased the remarkable ability of the human mind to detect subtle signals. The quest for verifiable telepathy continued, fueled by an unwavering belief in its existence. Researchers meticulously documented cases where individuals seemed to possess an uncanny ability to read minds or share thoughts across vast distances. These accounts, though not yet fully understood, offered tantalizing glimpses into the interconnectedness of human consciousness. The future of telepathy brims with possibility. Imagine a world where communication transcends language barriers, where empathy flourishes as thoughts are shared directly. The journey into the realm of telepathy never ended, and the documented cases and unwavering spirit of exploration offer a compelling testament to this remarkable human capability. Translated as The Art of Knowing, the Ars Notoria is a part of the broader The Lesser Keys of Solomon. It distinguishes itself as an ancient manual promising powerful cognitive enhancements. This condensed exploration focuses on its core methodology and the specific claims surrounding its ability to develop clairvoyance and mind-reading abilities among practitioners. At its heart, the Ars Notoria is a compendium of prayers, orations, and magical words that, when executed with precise timing and specific gestures, are believed to tap into divine forces. Originating from manuscripts dating back to the 13th century, this practice offers a structured approach to unlocking the human mind's latent capabilities. Unlike typical magical practices focused on external phenomena, the Ars Notoria's rituals aim squarely at expanding the internal landscape of human cognition. The most striking claim is the potential to achieve a perfect memory, enabling practitioners to retain vast amounts of information and grasp complex subjects rapidly. Beyond memory enhancement, the Ars Notoria is said to open pathways to more esoteric abilities, such as clairvoyance and mind reading. Through its intricate system of prayers and invocations, practitioners are believed to align themselves with higher powers, facilitating a deeper connection with the thoughts and the intentions of others. This aspect suggests that the Ars Notoria serves not only as a tool for personal cognitive enhancement, but also as a bridge to understanding and communicating with the mental states of others at a distance or without verbal exchange. The Ars Notoria presents a fascinating glimpse into ancient practices aimed at transcending ordinary human limitations. While primarily known for its promise of an enhanced memory and accelerated learning, the text's deeper implications for telepathy and mind reading highlight the perennial human quest to connect and understand on a level beyond the physical. Whether these claims hold any factual basis or remain the speculative aspirations of ancient scholars, they underscore our ongoing fascination with the powers of the mind and the potential to reach beyond the known boundaries of cognition. In the previous chapters, we explored the fascinating concept of mind reading and its potential connection to the unseen realms of human consciousness. Now it's time to delve deeper into the practical application of this intriguing ability. However, before we embark on this journey, a crucial point needs to be emphasized. True mind reading, as in the sense of effortlessly extracting another's complete thoughts, is likely a rare talent. What we can cultivate, however, is a heightened sensitivity to the subtle cues that reveal a person's inner state. Think of it like tuning a radio. Initially, you might only hear static, but with practice you learn to adjust the dial, picking up faint signals that eventually coalesce into a clear transmission. Similarly, honing your mind reading skills involves sharpening your awareness of the following: the power of observation. The human body is a genuine storyteller. Facial expressions, a posture, and even seemingly insignificant gestures like crossed arms or a furrowed brow can offer valuable insights into a person's emotional state and thought patterns. Train yourself to become a keen observer, deciphering the unspoken language of the body. Intuition, a gut feeling's worth. Don't underestimate the power of intuition. That gut feeling that you get about someone might be your subconscious, picking up on subtle cues your conscious mind has yet to decipher. Learn to trust your intuition, but remember to marry it with observation for a more complete picture. Rapport, building the bridge. Effective mind reading requires a connection. Building rapport with the person you're trying to read fosters trust and creates a space where they feel comfortable expressing themselves, both verbally and non-verbally. This openness allows you to pick up on their signals with greater ease. Communicating with others is a crucial step toward the doors of spiritual evolution. Active listening beyond the words. True listening goes beyond simply registering words. Pay close attention to the tone of voice, the hesitations, and the choice of words. These nuances can reveal hidden emotions and intentions that spoken words might try to mask. Remember, mind reading is a skill that takes dedication and practice to develop. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Celebrate your progress and keep refining your techniques. With consistent effort, you'll be surprised at how attuned you can become to the subtle whispers of the mind. In a world increasingly dominated by technological marvels, the human mind remains a captivating enigma. For centuries, whispers of telepathy, clairvoyance, and mind reading have lingered on the fringes of scientific inquiry, often dismissed as mere parlor tricks or relics of the occult. Yet, in the crucible of the 21st century, a fascinating convergence is taking place. Advancements in neuroscience, the growing acceptance of parapsychological research, and even the resurgence of interest in ancient practices are challenging our traditional understanding of the mind's potential. The digital revolution has undoubtedly transformed our lives. Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, performing tasks previously thought to be the exclusive domain of the human intellect. However, this very progress underscores the limitations of technology. AI excels at complex calculations and pattern recognition, but can it truly replicate the human capacity for intuition, empathy, and the subtle nuances of communication? This is where the exploration of mind-reading techniques becomes relevant. By honing our ability to decipher non-verbal cues, heighten our intuition, and actively listen at a deeper level, we can cultivate a powerful complement to the machine's cold logic. Modern techniques such as metacognition can help you unlock the true power of your mind. Imagine your brain as a vast orchestra. Billions of neurons fire, information flows, and thoughts take shape. It enables us to identify areas of strength and weakness, choose appropriate learning strategies, and ultimately optimize our brain's performance. The good news is that metacognition isn't a fixed state, it's a skill that can be nurtured and developed. Here's how. Mindfulness meditation. This practice cultivates a state of present moment awareness. By focusing on your breath and internal state, you become more attuned to your thought patterns and emotional responses. With regular practice, you gain greater control over your attention and emotional regulation, enhancing your ability to manage cognitive tasks effectively. Self-questioning. Throughout the day, take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself questions like, do I understand this material? Or, am I using the most effective strategy for this task? This simple practice encourages metacognitive awareness, allowing you to identify areas where your thinking might be inefficient and make adjustments on the fly. Error analysis. Don't shy away from mistakes. They offer valuable learning opportunities. When you make an error, analyze the thought process that led to it. Did you misunderstand a concept? Did you choose the wrong approach? By dissecting your mistakes, you gain valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses, ultimately improving your cognitive flexibility. The exploration of metacognition and its connection to enhanced brain function is an exciting frontier. By combining ancient practices like meditation with cutting-edge technology, we are unlocking a new era of human potential. Imagine being able to optimize your learning process, enhance your memory recalls, and even improve your emotional regulation, all by harnessing the power of your own mind. The journey to understanding the mind and its full potential is far from over. But with modern tools like metacognition and ancient wisdom like the Ars Notoria, we are poised to become not just masters of our thoughts, but conductors of the incredible symphony that resides within each of us.